it
So
sometime.
just check out.
Your Lordships had passed the order in the
Your
matter.
Lordships have.
Hearings back.
This is Government Lord and pass the order. This very matter.
So,
What
Your
is the
Lordships, we were to
some
file.
IA is posted.
Yes, response to this IA.
Very matter.
Oh.
You file? I don't-
State. As unions reply, I was going to say in the course of the day, but Your Lordship may say likely to be filed, learning from what happened in the
In every
previous
case,
one.
we'll say likely.
Please, my lords. So we'll file it today, my lords.
Only union can afford to say that.
Usually it's always likely.
But first week after Holi week.
As paid, 4 weeks time is allowed to learned ESG for filing counter to IA number so and so.
Please, my lords. We'll give the
To
number.
IA post, hai na? Post the matter
25.
on 24th March,
Lordships.
It's item 13, Lordships had called for me.
item 30.
Tuesday, could it be 25th?
Is here-
Wednesday? Lord?
Is your opponent here?
Instead of
Malad,
Tuesday, Wednesday, 25th.
I just saw the ticket. It's
One
a
day.
fresh
My
matter.
lords, can it be a week thereafter?
25th.
It's a contempt matter, Lordship.
25th, thereafter long vacation.
My lords, can it be a week thereafter?
24th is fine, Lord.
Mr. Amit Anand Tiwari's.
My lords, it could be a week thereafter, in
We
April
have
some.
given a longer day.
Yes, Lordship may have it along. March.
More than a month because of that only.
March, 25th March. No, sir,
It's on.
March. That's fine. I see. Would your Lordship consider having it?
My lords,
first
a week
April,
there,
my lord.
week thereafter, my lords.
Okay, we have no difficulty.
Mr. Natkani,
Yes, 7th April. Let it
very
be
well,
7th April.
grateful, my lords, grateful.
Asked for me, Malad. There was a contempt matter against the PF,
Any law?
PFO.
Yes.
I saw that there was a ticker.
Password, call password.
He is.
Malad, I'm not taking up item 13.
No, no, immediately it will come. It's in password.
Wait, please, Your Lordship.
Wait for 2 minutes.
But I'm not marked on it, my lord. I'm just present because Lordship had asked me in presence.
No, there is an order directing service on you.
Oh, I didn't
You
know.
wait for 2 minutes.
He will give you all that.
Item 9.
You are in a hurry, it means to go into some other court.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship,
Yes.
this is an after notice matter.
It is not filed.
Counter has been filed, Your Lordship. I have received copy of the counter.
What do they say?
Your Lordship, in the counter, they said that petitioner number 2 was the one who was making the video. What my respectful submission is, Your Lordship, when Your Lordship was pleased to issue notice, I pointed out that this submission is wrong, that,
This number 2 is mother-in-law.
no, Your Lordship, petition, brother-in-law, yes.
Law.
Brother-in-law, Your Lordship.
One is
Mother-in-law,
father-in-law.
one is father-in-law, he's 68 years old. Now, Your Lordship, when this honorable court was pleased to issue notice, I pointed out this fact that this is just a submission that he was making video. Now, even when the counter has been filed, a bare statement has
No,
been.
we wanted to sue the dying declaration.
Yes.
Because you were not having that dying
Yes,
declaration
because it is an
at that time.
anticipatory bill. That has
Yes.
not been produced, Your Lordship.
Yes, Your Lordship, I've asked for the dying declaration. They have not given it to me yet. And with regarding that video recording, the alleged video recording, it has been recorded by petitioner number 2, who's absconding. So they are not even able to recover that.
Your Lordship, this is what my respectful submission, that the submission made by
But
these.
the counter also is not on record.
No, Your Lordship, it's on record. We filed it.
Counter is in the additional diary.
You need another copy.
वो दिया था आपको।
वो ट्राइपॉड ने दिया है खुद में। One is better.
Let me take it next week on Monday.
You have not taken out copy from. वो आज आपके साथ है ना, so they are relying on you that you.
No, they have uploaded. They have uploaded.
Let counter be placed on record. Let counter filed by the respondent. Only one, respondent number 1,
Yes, Your Lordship.
be placed on record. What about number 2?
No one has entered appearance. There's no note to.
There's only one
There's
petition.
only one
One respondent, Your. The other respondent were, Your Lordship,
They
the
are formal.
co-accused, Your Lordship. Your Lordship has not issued notice to them.
Force the matter on Wednesday.
I'm
Meanwhile, I'll file the dying declaration also, Your Lordship.
Is it on record? Only for that, we had issued notice without
Yes.
granting interim relief.
Yes, Your
please,
Lordship.
Your Lordship. Oblige.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Interim relief is still student. Kindly be extended.
That 12 and 13,
Interim order.
12 and 13, interim order to continue in that date of hearing. Yes.
Oblige.
13 minutes. Malad, I've seen the order directing for it to be served on me. I haven't got a copy, Malad. I'll now take service. I'll take instructions.
Mr. Vikramjit Banerjee, Council,
Additional service.
learned ASG, appearing appearing for the respondent
Yes.
pursuant to our order dated 19/1/2026 is allowed 2 weeks' time to seek instruction.
Yes. Oblige. Oblige.
Post the matter. You have received copy now?
It's the soft copies are available, Malad. So
Post the matter
that's how I
on what date?
need it.
23rd March.
Oblige.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Keep saying very.
Accommodation as the main council is
21? You want time?
Right.
2.63 crores as paid post after 2 weeks.
But the first SLP arises out of an order, Mulad, by the trial court, where the preliminary Mulad issue was decided in my favor, holding that the Mulad I have
Before my learned friend starts, I know. There is an order passed by your lordships on 21st of January 2025. It was heard for quite some time.
I will not miss that order. Definitely,
25 of?
I will respond to that.
2nd of January 2025.
25.
Yes, my lord. 22nd January.
I'll just give the.
Submission made without any basis. There is a reason for that. We direct the state of Maharashtra, Ritan Verma, to file a detailed affidavit enclosing all the documents that are indicated in paragraph so and so.
Your orders also?
Ground Mulad, I have prepared a short list
But
of.
what problem is,
Maharashtra.
what is necessary?
It has no,
filed
government has
I'll
filed
come
affidavit,
to
Court
that,
is already
Mulad.
filed?
It's not
not
that-
on record notifications.
I will respond to
Mulad,
that.
And Milord, one more important thing. Milord, although their witness admits, although Milord, all through.
don't argue.
I am
Let
for the
him
petitioner,
open.
Mulad, my.
But whether this report is filed?
Yes,
Yes, your
Milord. State has filed.
I filed 2 reports.
You have seen the report, no? So you will deal with,
I will respond to that.
you will deal with it.
I will deal with everything. Mulad, I have prepared a short list of dates also. Before that, Mulad, I will just give the brief Mulad background. Mulad, on 29 January 2013, one public notice appeared in the local newspaper saying that there are some unauthorized constructions and within 30 days that should be demolished.
Why should the government not decide? Instead of court deciding
Mulad, the government was,
this
is
is
not
such
a
an
part.
issue.
Mulad,
whether this particular area falls within the control and territorial jurisdiction of a panchayat or a municipality, it is solely within the discretion of
Mulad,
the
Mulad,
state government.
State,
State government is the best
But they have-
authority to
yes.
say it is all within the state's domain. So instead of court deciding it,
Yeah, absolutely right. Your lordships, my lord, when the matter was pending before the
I'm
High
sorry to
Court.
interrupt.
My lord,
direct
what
the,
Mr. Honorable High Court had
direct the secretary panchayat and secretary urban bodies
Your lordships, for a minute may say page.
But may I-
together and decide
That is
whether it
already
belongs to
decided.
the.
It is done.
That is already done.
Your lordships
Lord,
may see page
Honorable High
17.
Court- Honorable High Court directed, the report was submitted. Despite that, they came here. Even before your lordships.
For a moment, see page 17, para 28, that what your lordships were referring to.
Page?
Page 17, para 28 of the impugn order.
Order. And Lord, it is our specific case that village panchayat is set up by the persons who have carried out unauthorized constructions. Lord, this is only, my lord, the proxy litigation panchayat is, my lord.
Let him
Yes,
take the
madam.
case because it is Mr. Verma. We thought state government has something to say because of the
Yes,
22nd January order. Otherwise, he has to open.
yes, my lord, that was done in the High Court even before your lordships, that report is filed.
MMC Act is Maharashtra Municipal Litigation Act.
Have you challenged that notification, Mr. Yadav?
Lord, there is no question of any notification. There is no notification. My lord, my learned friend did not allow me to, my lord.
No, we will hear you. We'll hear you.
I for the petition.
But just to understand
Madam,
and crystallize the issue, para 20, there is a reference to a notification issued.
I am grateful to your lordship. When that, I was just, my lord, narrating the facts. When that notice was published regarding illegal, my lord, the unauthorized constructions. The first time, my lord, they have, my lord, tried to assert their right, municipal corporation, over these lands. All along, these lands are part of, my lord, Uchka village panchayat, which is the petitioner before your lordship. My lords, we have not challenged section 3 notification. In fact, there is no such notification on record. No section 3 notification. The High Court has proceeded on totally erroneous basis that there is a section 3 notification. Kindly see the, my lord, my prayer in the suit. Arises out of the suit. Yes, my lord. Suit is pending. Now, if your lordship sees page 51 of the SLP, my lord, the prayers are there, my lord. Of the suit property has not been included within the limit of the defendant body. Declare that the limit extension claimed by the defendant body has not occurred or has occurred by wrongful, illegal and unauthorized means.
Civil court has no jurisdiction in view
Please,
of the notification
the
which has not been challenged.
Effect of
The area
the.
is within the Kolhapur Municipal
Yes,
Corporation.
yes, yes,
Gram Panchayat has no jurisdiction over the land.
yes.
Therefore, suit is not maintainable because
The High Court says I cannot challenge section 3 notification. But there is no such notification. Kindly see the public notice of 2013. There is no notification. What they say now, my lord, when they were state government was not party in the lower court and in the my suit, they, my lord, the state government was implemented as a respondent here before your lordships. My lord, your lordship directed the state government to file an affidavit.
this 14th August 1948 42 notification.
Yes, I'll come to that.
I have annexed
I'll
to
come
my
to that.
affidavit.
My lord,
I'll take
my
your
lord,
lordship
may I,
through
my lord, place before lordship the short list of dates. my lord.
Very short issue. You only reply to whatever we are asking.
But let you-
Not a such lengthy case. We have to issue, we have to see the notification, whether this village is covered in this notification or not. If it is covered, you are uncovered.
Just excuse me.
Yes, you need water.
Yes, my lord.
You need water.
My lord, my learned senior, Mr. Sundaram, pointed out para 10 and para 25 of the High Court judgment. My lord, there, my lord, the High Court relies on those, my lord, 1942, 45 notifications. My lord, those, my lord, kindly see the affidavit, compliance affidavit of the state government, that I will take your lordship to that affidavit, my lord.
That's in the additional volume.
Yes, my lord. That is, my lord, affidavit dated 29 April 2025. Lordship, have a separate small paper book, my lords. Here is it.
Page 8 is the annexure notification.
Yes, my lord, there are 4 annexures. My lord, R1 is 1942. This is all Marathi, my lord. It doesn't refer to my survey numbers. R1, R2. Now, R3, my lord, page 32.
Why don't you read that affidavit and deal with it?
Please, my lord.
Just read 7
Yes,
pages
Lord.
only.
It's a reply affidavit.
Yes, my lord.
Pursuant
will
to the
read.
direction of 22nd January.
किधर है वो 27 नहीं हमारा उनका वो गवर्नमेंट का एफिडेविट एक मिनट I'll just that para 2 mulad. I say that this honorable court wide order dated 22nd January 25 as directed as
ये
we
reply
direct
affidavit
the-
है. Affidavit filed by them.
It says your lordship.
by the state
affidavit
government.
pursuant to order dated 21/1/2020.
Yes.
This order is quoted here, Malad. Relevant.
I say this.
Direct the state of Maharashtra, Representative Mr. So and so, to file a detailed affidavit enclosing all the documents that are indicated in para 10 and 25 of the order impugned before us. The documents will include the
So my
1945
learned senior
notification and other
background to this order
notifications
was, I'm sorry.
indicating the correct position of the land claimed by the petitioner, village panchayat, not forming part of the Kolhapur Municipal Corporation. I say that the present dispute revolves around the question as to whether survey numbers, these survey numbers out of the suit property, are included within Kolhapur Municipal Corporation or are comprising of Utsgaon Village Panchayat. I say that while impugn order dated 13/10/2016, the High Court had directed the present state government to look into and resolve the present dispute. A hearing was conducted of all the concerned in this regard. I say that the pursuant to the hearing conducted by the respondent state government, a report dated 7th March.
Exactly what. Para 8 is clear.
In fact, the High Court had directed the state government to mediate between these two public bodies, and they passed the order on merit, my lord. And without, in my absence, my lord, that's
Now you come to para 8.
para 2.
A.
Para?
Para 8 subclause.
Yes, my lord. Para 8, I say that as per order dated so and so, the submissions on behalf of the respondent as per the available record and documents are as follows. As per notification number 18 issued on 14/8/1942, a declaration was made to the extent the limits of Kolhapur Municipal Borough under the provisions of section 7 of Kolhapur Municipal Bureau Act. The said notification of 1942 is available in original and was published in Gazette dated 24/9/42. A true and correct copy is annexed. But this is Marathi. My survey numbers are not mentioned there in this notification. The notification dated 30th June 1945 was published in Marathi language as mentioned above in newspaper Pudari in issue dated 18/7/45. A true and correct copy of the original published notification, Mulad, is annexed herewith. And this is a newspaper report.
What is your interest? What is your interest? Gram Panchayat interest.
Mulad, this this area belongs to Gram Panchayat area. This
What
is
is
a
your
gram-
interest, whether it is belong to a panchayat or a municipal, how are you
I'll
affected?
I'll tell you.
It is not
There-
your
no,
property,
no,
not your vested
Allow-
right, you
no,
are not the
Gram
owner
Panchayat-
as such.
Kindly
In
see
that
parties to the suit.
proprietorial sense,
No, this is only for the interest of the people to whom.
people will be benefited
No,
anyway,
I have
whether they
given
are in
permission,
corporation
I
or
have
in
collected-
panchayat.
No, Malad,
It of
No, no.
yours is affected.
not only mine. Kindly see the parties of the suit.
You are not a natural
Plenty
person,
of
so that
num-
your property is
my lord-
taken away by the government or by anybody.
We are, Malad, we, nothing of that sort.
Then go.
So Gram Panchayat as well as the private, those persons whom permission is granted, they are also party in the suit. Plaintiff number 2 and 3 are the persons to whom the permissions have been granted, proper mulad that they have.
It will be granted, it will continue if permission is granted. The municipal corporation will continue to grant it.
No, the problem is about the so far as you're right. It doesn't matter the Gram Panchayat, whether it is Gram Panchayat, but these taxes to run the other mulad, give the public amenities and all. Gram Panchayat needs taxes, revenue. If it goes to the municipal corporation, then mulad, what is the revenue mulad? Then it is all along. First mulad, since beginning, it was never part of the Kolhapur Municipal Corporation, mulad, the municipal area.
2013.
And Malad, there is not a single document to show that this was Malad, included in municipal area of the Kolhapur Municipal Corporation. I will satisfy your lordship. Malad, recently I have filed an affidavit also. That shows, in fact, this is also only that time, 1945, the land, only the urban land was included and not the agricultural land.
Yes, Mr. Yadav.
Yes, my lords. Now, if you'll see, my lord, page 32 is, this is the uh, newspaper cutting in the newspaper report. And here, my lord, they refer to one that, where is that? Page G, my lord, below mentioned revision survey numbers lands where streams, nalas of Ujgaon. This is only the newspaper, my lord, that's page 33. And then if you lordship sees page 34, that is not Bhag 5 in English, it is part 5. This is important. Kindly mark this because I'm going to show your lordship that this only the urban land was included, not the agriculture. And we were, my lord, our land was agricultural land. Here, my lord, whereas by so and so dated June 1945, published in Mulad 30th June 1945, they refer to this Gazette notification. It has till date, it has not been Mulad produced by them, except this Pudhari, this thing. Mulad, I admit that our survey numbers are mentioned in this notice. Now, Mulad, kindly come to my recent affidavit, Mulad, dated 27 January 2026, Mulad, the recent, where I have pointed out this part 5, this gazette, only that time they are saying, Mulad, some 1945, that this land was, Mulad, some included in that time it was a Mulad, a Kolhapur municipal borough, thereafter municipal council, and then now municipal corporation. So that time it was included. Mulad, kindly, Mulad, have this my additional affidavit I have filed recently. They have not replied to that. Not a Mulad, this 1945 notification they have not produced on record. Assuming that my survey numbers are there in that notification, Mulad, then Mulad, kindly come to this recent my affidavit. We could lay our hands to this Mulad Gazette recently, Mulad. See, this being very old documents, Mulad, I'm now 42, 45. Only with great difficulty we could find this, Mulad. Now, if your lordship sees, My affidavit, just 2-page affidavit. My lord, I lordships want, I will read out to your lordship. Yes, my lord.
This, your reply affidavit. Your reply affidavit?
Abhi recently, 27. Yes, my lord. Additional. Yes, my lord.
Reply
The
affidavit
government
of
affidavit,
petition number
my lord.
2.
Yes, please, your lordship.
Yes.
That recently, my lord, on 27 January 26, my lord, I have filed it. My lord,
Which paragraph?
paragraph, my lord, 2, my lord.
This is by Trilok Panjumal.
Yeah, I Uzgaon village panchayat, yes, the same thing, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, para number 1. I say and submit that I have read a copy of the affidavit filed by the state government dated, my lord, 29 April 25, which we just read out, my lord, and by collector Kolhapur dated so and so. I reserve my right to so and so. Para 2, I say and submit that I have already filed my affidavit in reply. I am filing this additional reply as I have procured and obtained a certified copy of Kolhapur Government Gazette dated 26 July 1945 recent. There,
Which act?
the MRTP,
MRTP Act.
MRTP Act, Regional Town Planning Act. But that I was reading
This
this.
area is under the MRTP.
Yes, it is covered by Milord. MRTP that way covers Milord, whether rural, urban, everything is covered under the
It has been
MRTP.
declared a dumping ground in that plan.
Yes, it is declared Milord reserved for the truck terminus and yes.
Jadhav,
No, just
but I
read.
understand. You have to focus on what the issue
Yes,
is.
no,
You have filed a suit with certain declaratory reliefs. 9A was filed, 9A was
Rejected.
dismissed, Kolhapur appeal. Their case is, it is barred because we have issued notifications in 1946. First draft in 24/9/42 and 21/3/46. These areas are included and this is under section 3 of the act, which has enlarged the area of municipal corporation. Public notice only reflected what was in the notifications. In view of that, 149 will bar the suit.
definitely.
High Court also at that stage, they asked representatives sit together. They also came and said it's part of the municipal corporation. Here also it's part of the municipal. Your rightful course will be to challenge the section 3 notification under that limited opening in Justice Shetty's judgment. I was noticed that Barjatia's case, Kalyan municipality matter, I think. Then after you succeed, you can establish all this. In a suit, it can't be decided.
So provided, and I am completely in agreement with your lordship. My lord, you have that judgment, my lord, Sundar Jas.
Lal Barjatia, Justice Shetty's judgment. If you say.
Lord, we cannot challenge that notification. Number one, that notification is not there.
Unless
But
the
even-
procedure is not followed.
It's
a
not there.
conditional
Or
legislation.
no, even. But my case is, there was no such notification in respect of these survey numbers. That's what I was pointing out. Just one para, allow me to read this my affidavit. And that gazette, my lord.
Their own
That,
witness-
I did not, my lord.
Yadav feels that he's not getting opening at all. He just.
Mr. Naure, you will have your audio.
Wait.
So their own witness.
Well, he's just
But only
Let
one
him finish.
statement.
He is blocked either by us or by you. Yes.
Mr. Naure. My lords. Just allow me to, I'm sorry. That this, my lord, my affidavit, short affidavit, 1 page I want to read. Para number, I submit that the entire contains the government gazette dated R2 and
Which para?
para 5, my lord. Just one para, and I will take your lordship to that notification.
R1 of the affidavit.
As per the city development and declaration 10/54, which is to eastern side of Karveer, now as Kolhapur, it shows the entire land as an agricultural land, which was not anywhere affected by the declaration mentioned above, and that area was not acquired or
You are
included.
reading from para 5.
Yes, my lord.
Para 5 of your reply affidavit.
My reply, my lord.
It says annexure
And it's just
to the affidavit contains a gazette notification
No, reply of petition number 2 or
This is the
But you,
petition number 1.
no, petition number 2.
That
said,
starts,
but
as my
this
brother
is-
says, it starts with annexure
R1
R1 of the affidavit.
You said some agricultural land, this, that. It is not there in para 5.
But there is
Additional affidavit in reply, my lord.
additional reply affidavit, additional reply affidavit.
PDF 378.
Yes. Additional reply affidavit of petitioner number 1.
As per
Petition number 1. Follow. Petition number 1, my lord. My lord, just,
Yes, para 5 you are reading.
yes. As per the city development and declaration 10/54, which is to the eastern side of and as an agricultural land, which was not anywhere affected by the declaration mentioned above, and that area was not acquired or included into Kolhapur government. Mulan. This annexure R2, and this English translation is of Kolhapur Government Gazette 26 July 45 has also been attached herewith. Mulan, kindly come to the English translation. Page, Page 8, Milad. The public notice, Milad. On the part 5 कुठं बघितलं होतं आपण? Part 5. Part 5 बघितलं होतं ते.
हो हो
कुठे ते?
हा ते पार्ट 5 ह्याच्यामध्ये आहे ना आहे
Part 3 आहे ना?
नाही तो त्यांच्या ह्याच्यामध्ये स्टेट गव्हर्नमेंट केस नाही पार्ट 5 ह्याच्यामध्ये स्टेट गव्हर्नमेंटच्या ह्याच्यामध्ये
नाही नाही आपल्याला याच्यातून त्याला रिलेट करावं लागेल ना ते.
हो
हा ठीक आहे ठीक आहे. मला दिस पब्लिक नोटीस काइंडली कम टू पेज 8. To all residents within the city of Kolhapur, adjoining areas of Kurbada, Moje, Kajwadi, Ujwalwada, Ujgaon, and other settling, it is hereby informed that an additional area has been acquired for the city development below the settlements under declaration number 10 regarding this was published in the Gazette Part 5. That is the Gazette Mullah, the government affidavit Mullah relies on. They are relying. Page? Government affidavit, page 34. Part 5. Page 138 on 3/3/45, the so and so resolution so and so has sanctioned conducting a city survey. This city this public notice, page 8.
Yes.
Public notice to all residents within the city of Kolhapur.
This is public
And-
notice in connection with what proceeding?
Yeah, this one, they refer to this government gazette part 5.
No, not government gazette. This
No,
public
just the
notice
same. This is a
for
government gazette.
inclusion of the area or for some other purpose? Because
That-
it says that bailiff went and there was some obstruction. What for this?
No. That we are not concerned with that part. Sometimes the gazette, Mullah, other things are also mentioned. We are concerned
We are
with this
concerned
part.
with page 8, public
Yes, sir.
notice.
Yes, my lord. Public notice to all residents within the city of Kolhapur and adjoining area of Kasba, Pavda, Mauje, Jadawadi, Jowadi, so and so, so and so. It is hereby informed that an additional area has been acquired for the city development below the settlement under declaration number so and so regarding this was published in the government part 5, which is that Mullah, the Bhag 5, that government gazette. On 3, the dated 18/11/45 has sanctioned conducting a city survey for that area. This city survey is applicable only to land used for purposes other than agriculture. No, the map I have annexed this map also, page 11. They have not responded to this reply, my lord. When I have said that those notifications,
You continue.
that gazette, now this suit was filed by the Gram Panchayat as well as two individuals to whom the constructions were given in representative capacity. They were also included. This Mulad area is about 4 lakh square feet construction is already done. This Kolhapur Municipal Corporation, first time they have issued this public notice in 2013. Mulad till date, Mulad, they have not been collecting any. If they had documents or this land was included in 1942, there should be some record like this collecting property taxes, some development, area development, road, etc. Nothing was done. Only may I take your last to the High Court, Mulad, totally on erroneous basis. There is no Section 3 notification. Nothing. And this also I have, Mulad, pointed out to your lordship. This is, Mulad, the agriculture land. Not that map is also annexed, Mulad. They have not denied this.
Yes.
No, just one more thing. In case, Mulad, it's not whether, Mulad, this so far as this, Mulad, the individual owners or those who applied for the construction, and now there is a cloth market, big cloth market. 4 lakh square feet construction is already done. Not 150 Mulad businesses, 50 Mulad constructions, and there, Mulad, there are about 5,000 employees are there. And there, Mulad, the main source of living is the income from this house. In case your lordships, Mulad, come to the conclusion that this that we don't mind, Mulad, going to the corporation, but that this doesn't belong, that this doesn't fall under village panchayat, or we cannot challenge that gazette notification.
You don't, your panchayat.
Your
Don't
panchayat.
forget.
Yes, no, panchayat as well as
Individuals are also
three.
plaintiff number 2 and 3.
I have learned. I'm an advocate for both Gram Panchayat as well as the.
That we have understood.
It's not Gram Panchayat concerned.
You are wearing
But
2, 3
they-
hats.
देश के पिछड़े लोग अभिमन्यु हैं, देश के पिछड़े लोग अभिमन्यु नहीं है, अर्जुन है। और वो जो आपका चक्रव्यूह है उसको फोड़ के फेंक देंगे, फेंकने वाले हैं। पहला कदम इंडिया गठबंधन ने ले लिया, पहला कदम इंडिया गठबंधन ने ले लिया। आपके प्रधानमंत्री की कॉन्फिडेंस को हमने उड़ा दिया। मतलब आपके प्रधानमंत्री भाषण में आ ही नहीं पा रहे। और मैं आपको एडवांस में बता देता हूं, मेरे भाषण में कभी नहीं आएंगे। मैं देख रहा हूं सर, सरकार हलवा बांटती जाती है, बांटती जाती है, बांटती जाती है, और बांटता कौन है? वही 2-3% लोग, और बंटता किसको है? वही 2-3%। फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर मुस्कुरा रही है। कमाल की बात है। ये हंसने की चीज नहीं है मैडम, ये हंसने की बात नहीं है, ये जाति जनगणना है, ये जाति जनगणना है। इससे देश बदल जाएगा।
नमस्कार, मैं रवीश कुमार। राहुल गांधी के भाषण का मुकाबला करने का तरीका सत्ता पक्ष ने निकाल लिया है। जब भी राहुल गांधी बोलते हैं, सत्ता पक्ष की तरफ से तमाम नियमों का हवाला दिया जाने लगता है। इसी सदन की पिछली लोकसभा में 90 से अधिक सांसद निलंबित कर दिए गए, जो भारत के इतिहास में कभी नहीं हुआ। बीजेपी के एक सांसद ने खड़े होकर गाली दी, सांप्रदायिक बातें कही, उनके खिलाफ किसी नियम की याद नहीं आई। लेकिन राहुल गांधी को रोकने टोकने के लिए नियमों का यह इस्तेमाल भारत की राजनीति का दिलचस्प मोड़ है। सत्ता पक्ष की तरफ से नियमों का सशस्त्रीकरण किया जा रहा है, वेपनाइजेशन किया जा रहा है। आमतौर पर नियमों का वेपनाइजेशन विपक्ष की तरफ से होता है, लेकिन राहुल गांधी को रोकने के लिए सत्ता पक्ष की तरफ से किया जाने लगा है। नेता प्रतिपक्ष होते ही कितना कुछ बदल गया है। आसन की तरफ से और संसदीय कार्य मंत्री की तरफ से भी राहुल गांधी को नियमों का पाठ आज भी पढ़ाया गया। राहुल गांधी के भाषण को देखिए तो पता चलेगा कि वे अपनी रणनीति से सत्ता पक्ष को कितना छकाते जा रहे हैं। तस्वीरें ले आते हैं, पता है कि मना किया जाएगा और उसी बहाने काफी कुछ कह देते हैं। सत्ता पक्ष नियम नियम कहता रह जाता है। राहुल जब बोलते हैं स्पीकर का भी इम्तिहान शुरू हो जाता है। प्रधानमंत्री मोदी आज सदन में नहीं थे जब राहुल गांधी बोल रहे थे। वैसे तो राहुल गांधी ने कोई लतीफा तो नहीं सुनाया, लेकिन उनकी बात पर वित्त मंत्री निर्मला सीतारमण कई मौकों पर हंसती नजर आई। आमतौर पर सांसद एक दूसरे की बातों पर इसी तरह हंसा करते हैं। कैमरे ने कोई भेदभाव नहीं किया। जब भी वित्त मंत्री को हंसी आई, कैमरे ने खूब दिखाया। केवल हंस नहीं रही थी बल्कि माथे पर हाथ भी रखती थी, और कभी उनकी प्रतिक्रिया इस तरह से भी हुई कि राहुल क्या बोल रहे हैं जैसे कोई मतलब ना हो। राहुल ने अपने ट्वीट में लिखा है कि आज संसद में जब मैंने जातिगत जनगणना की बात उठाई तो वित्त मंत्री ने हंसकर इस गंभीर विषय का उपहास किया। देश की 90% आबादी के जीवन से जुड़े सबसे महत्वपूर्ण मुद्दे पर ऐसी उपेक्षापूर्ण प्रतिक्रिया ने भाजपा की मंशा, मानसिकता और नीयत से पर्दा हटा दिया है। राहुल को बोलना पड़ गया कि वित्त मंत्री जी, हंसने की कोई बात नहीं।
फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर मुस्कुरा रही हैं। कमाल की बात है। ये हंसने की चीज नहीं है मैडम, ये हंसने की बात नहीं है, ये जाति जनगणना है, ये जाति जनगणना है, इससे देश बदल जाएगा।
असल में हुआ यह कि राहुल गांधी उस तस्वीर को दिखाना चाहते थे जो हर साल बल्कि कई साल से अखबारों में रूटीन की तरह छपती रही है। सदन में उन्हें तस्वीर दिखाने की अनुमति नहीं मिली, लेकिन राहुल गांधी की तैयारी का पता इस प्रसंग से मिल जाता है कि इस तस्वीर के बहाने उन्होंने कितनी बड़ी बड़ी बातें कह दी। सदन में राहुल गांधी फोटो तो नहीं दिखा सकते थे, मगर बाहर ये वो तस्वीर सबके लिए उपलब्ध है जिसे वित्त मंत्रालय ने खुद ही ट्वीट किया है। बजट से पहले हर साल वित्त मंत्रालय में हलवा बनता है और कर्मचारियों में बंटता है। इस तस्वीर को खुद वित्त मंत्री भी रीट्वीट कर चुकी हैं। राहुल गांधी ने इस तस्वीर को जाति की जनगणना से जिस तरह से जोड़ा, उसकी कल्पना शायद सत्ता पक्ष को नहीं रही होगी। राहुल गांधी ने स्पीकर की बात तुरंत मान ली कि तस्वीर नहीं दिखाएंगे, लेकिन राहुल को पता था कि यह वो तस्वीर है जो भारत के हर अखबार में छपती है और लोग अपने आप इसकी कल्पना कर लेंगे। बस सबने इस तस्वीर को वैसे नहीं देखा जैसे राहुल ने आज सदन में इस तस्वीर की व्याख्या कर दी।
बजट का जो हलवा है सर, ये बट रहा है, और इस फोटो में सर मुझे एक ओबीसी अफसर नहीं दिख रहा, एक आदिवासी अफसर नहीं दिख रहा, एक दलित अफसर नहीं दिख रहा मुझे। ये हो क्या रहा है सर? सर देश का हलवा बट रहा है सर, और इसमें 73% का एक है ही नहीं। सर ये आप लोग हलवा खा रहे हो और बाकी देश को हलवा मिल ही नहीं रहा है। ठीक है सर, 20 अफसरों ने बजट को तैयार किया, हमने पता लगाया है। 20 अफसर, शांत हो जाइए प्लीज सर। 20 अफसरों ने, उनके नाम मेरे पास है, अगर आप नाम चाहते मैं दे दूंगा। 20 अफसरों ने हिंदुस्तान का बजट तैयार किया है। मतलब हिंदुस्तान का जो हलवा है 20 लोगों ने बांटने का काम किया है। अब स्पीकर सर, उन 20 लोगों में से 90% लोगों में से 90% लोगों में से सिर्फ 2 हैं, एक माइनॉरिटी और एक ओबीसी, और इस फोटो में एक भी नहीं है। मतलब फोटो में आपने पीछे कर दिया, वो भी पीछे चल गया। फोटो में तो आने नहीं दिया आपने, कोई नहीं आ सकता। और मैं चाहता था कि बजट में जाति जनगणना की बात उठे, जो पूरा देश चाहता है। 90% हिंदुस्तान जाति, 95% जाति जनगणना चाहता है। कौन चाहते हैं? दलित चाहते हैं, आदिवासी चाहते हैं, पिछड़ा वर्ग चाहता है, गरीब जनरल कास्ट के लोग चाहते हैं, माइनॉरिटी चाहते हैं, सब चाहते हैं, क्योंकि सब लोगों को यह पता लगाना है कि हमारी भागीदारी कितनी है, हमारी हिस्सेदारी कितनी है। मगर सर मैं देख रहा हूं सर, सरकार हलवा बांटती जाती है, और बांटता कौन है? वही 2-3% लोग, और बंटता किसको है? वही 2-3% लोग।
आज के बाद से जब भी हलवा वाली तस्वीर अखबारों में छपेगी, भविष्य के लेकिन हलवा वाली तस्वीर का राहुल ने नए तरीके से हलवा बना दिया, बल्कि हलवा का भरता बना दिया कि अब उनकी बात, जाति की जनगणना की बात फिर से नई लगने लगी। राहुल और राहुल जी का अंतर रखते हुए राहुल गांधी को पता होना चाहिए कि अब वो दौर चला गया, कुछ भी नहीं होता था। तब भी उसकी महिमा में संपादक और गोदी मीडिया के एंकर चालीसा लिखा करते थे। राहुल गांधी के इस भाषण कौशल की तारीफ करने वाले यूक्रेन यात्रा को लेकर संपादकीय लिख रहे होंगे बहाने की तरह। राहुल ने बजट के समावेशी होने के तमाम दावों पर इस रूपक से सवाल खड़े कर दिए। वित्त मंत्री ने अपने भाषण में 4 जाति की बात की, गरीब, महिलाएं, युवा और अन्नदाता। राहुल ने उसे नकारते हुए जाति की सच्चाई सबके सामने रख दी कि जाति का मतलब यही है, वो नहीं जिसे आप युवा और अन्नदाता के वर्ग में रखकर भ्रम फैला रहे हैं। युवा और महिलाएं जाति नहीं हैं, वर्ग हैं।
मुझे दुख इस बात का होता है कि मैं ये टेबल बनाता हूं, मगर जिस शोरूम में ये टेबल रखी जाती है उस शोरूम में मैं अंदर जा ही नहीं सकता। कुछ ही दिन पहले सुल्तानपुर के एक भाई के साथ, मोची भाई के साथ बैठा, उससे मैंने ये सवाल पूछा, आपको दुख किस बात का होता है? कहता है, राहुल जी, मेरा सम्मान सिर्फ मेरे पिता ने किया था और किसी ने नहीं किया। तो मेरा कहना है सर, ये जो आपने चक्रव्यूह बनाया है, इस चक्रव्यूह से करोड़ों लोगों को नुकसान हो रहा है, दर्द पहुंच रहा है और हम इस तोड़ने जा रहे हैं।
राहुल गांधी के भाषण के तुरंत बाद कुछ लोगों ने पी चिदम्बरम के समय की वही हलवा वाली बजट की तस्वीर ट्वीट करके पूछा कि इसमें कितने अनुसूचित जाति और जनजाति के हैं। तो कांग्रेस के पॉलिटिकल विश्लेषक अमिताभ दुबे ने तुरंत बता दिया कि वित्त राज्य मंत्री जेडी सीलम अनुसूचित जाति समाज से हैं और केंद्रीय वित्त मंत्री के साथ और हलवा की कढ़ाई के एकदम सामने खड़े हैं। राहुल गांधी ने अपने भाषणों से लोकसभा को बदल दिया है। जैसे ही उन्होंने कहा कि इस बजट में अग्निवीर के लिए पेंशन की कोई बात नहीं, थोड़ी देर के बाद रक्षा मंत्री राजनाथ सिंह को मजबूर कर दिया ये कहने के लिए कि जब भी स्पीकर समय तय करेंगे वे अग्निवीर पर अपना पक्ष रखने के लिए तैयार